Okay guys, I'm going to try to make this quick for you guys so you guys can get on with studying for your test. So right now you guys should be sitting at your desk quietly studying. You guys will have about 5 minutes to study and then you guys will take the test. The sub is going to move you guys around. I let him know or her know, I'm not really sure who's subbing for me, where you guys will be going. So you need to move where they tell you to move. And then obviously you guys will stay in that seat for the rest of the class period, so please do not go back to your guys' regular seats. When you guys finish the test, you need to hand the test to the sub, and then you guys need to go back to where you took the test and work on any missing work. I understand that some of you guys do not have any missing work. You guys may have some quiet free time, so whatever that entails, as long as you are not talking and not bugging anyone else. Those of you guys who do have missing work though, you guys have until the end of the class period to turn in that missing work. So right now there's 4 grades in Power School. Looks like everyone in 5th has their electromagnet lab turned in. A couple people are missing that in 6th period. It looks like everyone in 5th period also has a grade for their fishing pole. That included any extra credit you guys might have got for catching Nemo. So that was just building a workable fishing pole. Looks like 2 people in 6th period have not built a fishing pole. You probably won't be able to do that after the test. Last but not least, we have the review and then the fishing derby questions. So the fishing derby questions were on Edmodo. You guys were supposed to do them after you did the fishing derby by yourself. A lot of you guys turned them in incomplete. So if you guys swear you turned that in, but you got a 0 or a missing on there, it's because you guys did not finish them. You guys also got a grade on that based on how well you guys answered those questions. So if you guys just really didn't care and you put some slop answers down, probably didn't do very well. Okay, finally, you guys' grade for your magnetism review, most of you guys have that in. There's still a couple of people in 5th and 6th period who need to do that. At this point, you guys don't get to check the answer key. It's too late for that. But if you do completely 100% finish the review by the end of class, you guys can just turn that in for full credit. So at any rate, don't check the answer key. Get that turned in. When you guys finish, before you leave today, you guys need to turn in your notebook. You guys will turn that in on my back table right here. So make a neat 5th period pile to turn that in. In your guys' notebook, you guys should have your vocab on page 22 and 23. So please open your notebook when you guys turn that into page 22 and 23 and stack them back there like that. You guys should have 6 vocab words on page 22 and 23 and 7 key concepts on page 24 and 25. So again, when you guys turn in that notebook, please make sure it's open to one of those 2 pages, 6 vocab, 7 unit questions. If you did not do those, that's not excusable, okay? If you do not turn in your notebook by the end of this class period, that is the grade you guys are getting. So if you don't turn it in at all, you get a 0 for both of those assignments, or if it's not complete, you still need to turn it in, and that will just be the grade you guys get, and you don't get a chance to fix that because there's no reason those aren't done. Those have been on the board every day for you guys, and if you miss class, those are on Edmodo every day. It couldn't be easier for you guys to make those things up. So there's just no excuse for it. Do not forget to turn in your notebook. If you guys do that, I won't be very forgiving for that either. It just needs to get done. So before you guys leave today, turn in your notebook to the back table. Also, if you guys didn't get those done, but you have some time after the test, you guys can come to my back table. You guys can kind of see I have the stack of vocab cards, and I also have a little stack of key concepts. You guys can come to that back table and write those down in your notebook if you need to. Again, key concepts, there's 7 of them. Those don't leave this back table. So if you need to do them, they stay at the back table. You guys come back and do it back here. And then your vocab, obviously it's just the vocab word. You guys will need to go on your Amplified Glossary and get the definition for those, or get them off of Edmodo for either one of the key concepts or that. So that's what you guys are doing after the test. Again, stay where you guys took the test, work on missing work and getting your guys' notebook turned in, and your guys' test gets handed into the sub. Good luck on your guys' test. Keep studying for a couple more minutes, and then the sub will move you guys to your spot and hand out the test, and then I'll explain to you guys some things on the test.